Kansas Bass in here, and I got an unboxing video for you guys today. Today I got in the mail a loose Mach II. Been shipping for about a week. It retails about around $170. I got it at Dick's. Alright, let's get it open. I got a knife to get this bad boy open. It's like a 8-foot box. So, some paperwork. There it is. Lime green and black. I think I got the 7'5" medium heavy with the fast action tip. And the gear ratio on this is, good focus, 7.5 to 1 gear ratio. So yeah, man, time to take it down in the water. We're out here at the pond with my Mach II. It's pretty windy, so we'll see how it goes. On the Mach II, I got 12-pound fluorocarbon with a blue and black chatterbait with a polymer knot. I might switch that bait up, just depends what happens. Alright, let's get out there and catch some largemouth. Alright, we're in the back channel of this pond. Sorry if the quality is shit. I am recording with my phone, but it's my first video and I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on a GoPro, mostly because I'm broke as shit. Let's go catch some bass. Hoss got one on. Did you catch that on?
Little black and red crawl. Little one, not close as what I've gotten at this plot, at this joint.
He's a new bait caster.
Old bait caster.
$60 bait caster.
You betcha. Cheap ones are the good ones.
Like I said, bro, we're poor as fuck. Little open area. It's not much open area here, a lot of trees. So we just try to fish where we can. It's pretty fucking cold out here too. It's water cold.
Hella cold.
Alright, let's get a release on this one.
There you go.
Alright, I'm all set up. I got the new braid on there, 10-pound braid. Still got that black and blue chatterbait. I don't know if you can see it there. It'll wiggle around. What I like so far about it is these grips are amazing. My hands are freezing. I can still get a good grip. But my issue is birds nesting, which is not the pole's fault or the reel's fault. It is all mine. It's my first time with a bait caster. But we're going to go back out there and see if we can catch some. We do have one fish down for the day. Let's get another one. I've got another one on. Little one, like probably like 1 pound.
Not a bad fish.
Not too bad, especially in the cold ass water. Good. There he goes.
Another trigger fought though. I'll give him that much.
They're very slow. It's cold, it's getting dark. Alright, it's dark, so I'm using my flash now. I got a super fluke on with the, I think it's a 3-aught or 1-aught. I don't know. I didn't look. But Haas been catching them on plastic, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go back there by him. As you can tell, there's like no daylight. I've been at it for about an hour, so about to call it a night. See if I can catch one before it's over. Heading home. Today was not a very good day. It's cold, windy. Hoff managed to catch 2 little small ones. For me, they're just freezing my hands off. Left with 0. Next time we'll try to fish this big part of the pond. Maybe we'll catch something here. Back there's our honey hole. Hopefully we're gonna catch something when it's troubling out. See you guys in the next one.